the stories that occur kind of in the middle of the calculator section cause a lot of problems for people because the math starts to get weird, the stories start to get weird, people panic, and some of the questions will be genuinely difficult. So we're going to see one of those in a second. But to me, this is a very easy question, and we can't let the weirdness of the story distract us, right? So we need to think of our strategies and use them as much as we can to make sense of what we're being told. So the first thing I notice before I even read this question is that my answer choices are a bunch of equations. Why is that good? Well, I know that one of my strategies is to plug points into equations, meaning if I can find some points, I can test these equations. I don't need to think through the logic of the situation. I just need to find the points. And they tell me what the points would represent, right? X is the food calories, K is the kilojoules. Look at the top here, food calories and kilojoules. This is a chart of points. I just need to take a point and plug it into the choices and see what happens. So I'm going to convert this, right? So X is going to be 4 and K is going to be 16.7. So let's just do it. Let's do it by hand here. Let's change color just to kind of get things a little situated here. So 16.7 is equal to 0.24 times 4. Well, that's not going to be right because that's too small. 0.24 times 4 is 0.96, so that doesn't work. But 16.7 equals 4.2 times 4. Well, that sounds like it's going to be right. 4.2 times 4 is 16.8. Uh-oh, so it's not perfect. Let's keep trying. Maybe there's something that's perfect, but I think that's just estimating here. So X is 4.0, and then 4.2 times 16.7, no way. 16.7 times 4.2 is huge. That's 70.14, so that doesn't work. And then here we go, 4 times 16.7, also there's no way that's going to work. 4 times 16.7 is 66.8, so that's not equal to 4.2. So yeah, it's a little bit off, but it's close. There must be some rounding going on in the conversion that I'm not aware of, but I'm not going to ask too many questions, right? There was only one answer that was remotely close, and I'm going to pick it. And that's it. That's the whole question. So does it really matter what's going on with the protein, the fat, the carbohydrates? No. It's really just that we have equations and we have points. Don't ask too many questions. Don't dive too deeply here. Just plug them in, see what happens. Anyone of any math ability can absolutely get this question right because it's just about using a calculator once we kind of know what we need to do. So make sure you lock in these points. It's very important to get as many points in the hard section of the test as possible. This should make you very excited when you see it. That way you can use the strategy.